Alliance in Manipur. Nurses are among the most respected professionals, says Manipur governor. And newspaper hawker desperate for help, solace. Hello and good evening. You're watching Times of Manipur. This is SILKY with the news in detail. Cracks have been visible in the ruling BJP alliance in Manipur, with the Naga People's Front (NPF) awaiting a crucial meeting of party's central committee to be held on May 18 in Kohima, which will finalize the next course of action. NPF is currently part of the BJP-led coalition government in Manipur. The decision on whether to quit the alliance is expected to be finalized in the scheduled Kohima meeting. Talking to TOM-TV, NPF Manipur State Unit President and MLA Awangbo Nyumai said since the BJP has ignored the agreement reached between BJP and the party, it has to quit the alliance. The BJP has ignored all promises and forgotten NPF's crucial role played in the government formation, said Awangbo Nyumai.
Notice the NDA government puraknge hunaba kanda NPF achauba suruk laurambanina. We have taken a big responsibility. BJP was nowhere in the picture and notice. Nowhere. Nobody cared. Even Manipur. Who cares about BJP? But NPF have its own commitment and we have given a best service helping BJP coming to power in almost all the northeastern states.
It may be noted that there are now 31 BJP MLAs, 4 of the Naga People's Front (NPF), 4 of the Nationalist People Party (NPP), and 1 independent in the BJP-led coalition headed by N. Biren Singh in Manipur Assembly. So far, 8 Congress legislators out of 28 Congress MLAs who were elected during the last Assembly elections in 2017 later joined the BJP. Trained Nurses Association of India, Manipur, observed International Nurses Day under the theme Nurses, a Voice to Lead, Health for All at the Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS, Imphal today. Governor of Manipur, Dr. Nazma Heftullah, Principal Secretary, Health and Family Welfare, Bumlunmang Volnam, Director of Health and Family Welfare, Dr. K. Rajo, Director of RIMS, Dr. A. Santa attended the observance as main guests along with faculties of RIMS and media persons. Addressing the function, Governor Dr. Nazma Heftullah stressed on the importance of responsibilities of nurses in healthcare systems. She also presented a brief history on the Trained Nurses Association of India and its significant role playing towards development of the nation. She asserted that nurses are amongst the most respected professionals, adding that the pioneer and founder of modern nursing, Florence Nightingale, was the epitome of selfless service and sacrifices.
I would be very happy if you can prepare them in a document and come and discuss it with me. I will definitely like to help you in of those problems and issues which you have raised today. I thank you for inviting me here to join you all, and I wish on this auspicious occasion, may God bless you all, and I once again wish you all success in your future.
Although he has been working as a newspaper hawker for the past 1 decade, none from the media fraternity, print or electronic media has come to help him or give solace to him. Here is an exclusive report.
Ningthauzam Basanta, a 32-year-old man from Phayeng, Savalaikai in Imphal West, is a father of 2. He became a newsboy in 2009 under All Manipur Newspaper Sales and Distributors Association. As a newspaper hawker, he cannot earn enough money to support his family and hence started working as a construction laborer as well. Life took a turn for the worst for Vasanta. On April 28, 2019, a powerful cyclonic storm hit Manipur. On that fateful day, he was engaging in a building construction work at Langol, Infal, when Vasanta accidentally fell off the high building. He was rushed to Caesar Hospital, Langol, Infal, where doctor confirmed that his left hip joint was badly dislocated in the misstep.
Hokar si ai sahi nipan mapan muk sure satpa sida ai yum ai nupi thijare isani nupi ma nupa ma leijare yum ji puwangam dabadagi ai thabuk suba khabar halaga thabuk suba chatli sida hanaki te 28 ki April gi te 28 ta nonglei nongsit lakpudagi ai khawang saruji nantu doctor da chatle dai de ai tet tang kunthra da yum da halaga imanaba singda ai gi asokwa khong singdo ai whatsapp ta thagale sida imanaba kanana su ingonda yengbasu laktri akoi hokar association dagi imanaba muidang muktagi rabi ga tabung hoktagi ibom jaga yengbala ami.
After a brief treatment, Ningthaujam Basanta was discharged from Caesar Hospital on 30th April, but he is now unable to perform any regular activities as before. He had a medical checkup on 14 May, during which the doctor advised him to take rest for another 1 month or as long as he is not fully recovered, Basanta said. Except the local Pradhan, no one from the state media fraternity has visited him or extended any help to him following the incident, he lamented.
Ai doctor zapada nungaitaba yam leiri. Ai doctor na thamani lenganu hai ai khawang ji. Ai yum ji ka maina pugani ai khangdri honji pha. Ai no ji tek lebna khoi gi association sing ai mateng pangbiyo haina khangan ba pamni. Tokpa pau selibasing khoi gi print kangbu so ngasi bawda ai anabasi hangmobau lakpidri. Ai hojik tungda tabuk suba satpa ngamaroi dawnina authorities singda mieng changani.
Despite the appeals and the information that he had circulated in the WhatsApp group of his association, none of the authorities or any persons from any print or electronic media has come to his rescue till today. He drew the attention of the authorities concerned and persons from any like-minded organizations for his assistance in regards to his treatment and for his family running. With camera person Devdarshan, this is Blessing Gangmai for Tom TV News, Phayeng Savalaikai.
A seminar presentation on the 14th one-year Diploma Public Health Nursing Supervisor was held at Regional Health and Family Welfare Training Center today. Instructor of Management, Regional Health and Family Welfare Training Center, H. Arun Kumari Devi, moderated the seminar, where 3 resource persons talked on 3 different topics.
2018 ki September de hawkibna now we have come almost preliminary course syllabus in the yamba cover tawre and we have started the national programs mayama ko aduna national programs is secretary and the next is this May ki thasi manungda akoi field visit field study haitare site demonstration khara purani magi community ga mari lainana say for example water treatment plant gumba the dairy farm adegi waste management say control solid waste management ki plan to adu purani and after that from middle of the June ga up to July tha ani dia khon moi field posting pirani after that makoi examination pirani and they will be released before this on 21st September adu ki plan dani.
The authorities of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS, have allegedly failed to supply water to toilets inside the hospital ward. It has been said that adequate water is available at the public washroom complex where ₹10 is charged per use. Non-availability of water inside the toilet has created a difficult problem for the patients in the hospital as it has compelled them to purchase packaged water. Now let's have a short commercial break.
Water Revolution by Lamjingba Group, Kangla Packaged Drinking Water, a unit of Lamjingba Group na Manipur ki miyoi khudingmak haksang fana na da yektana lehenna bagi pandam da miyoi bagi thawai ni hairiba afava ising phanghana ba hotnajari liter kun gi jar asi subscriber khudingmak ki yumthong khudingda phanghana ba hotnajari taru tananba mahusade gi thokjarakpa ising logduna sijinari ising asida kanaraba mineral hapchinduna matam sigi khwaidagi faraba khusu khulaina process tawduna pack tawjari sterilize तौरबा इसिंग पात्र दा हपजरी सब्सक्राइबर ओइबगी खुदोंग जाबा सिंग अदुदी अदोंगी युम फावबा इसिंग असि थिंजरकनी रजिस्ट्रेशन हेक तौबिबदा इसिंग थन्ना यावरबा जार अमा पिजगनी था अमदा 30 जर्स 600 liters पिजगनी था अमगी सब्सक्रिप्शन फी लुपा चनियांखै खक्तनी चही अमगी लौबिबा मतमदा था अनिगी सब्सक्रिप्शन फ्री दा पिजगनी सब्सक्रिप्शन टाइप था अमगी लुपा चनियांखै था तरुकी लुपा लिसिंग अमगा चामंगा था अहुमगी लुपा चत्रेद यांखै चहीगी ओइना लुपा लिसिंग अहुम खुदोंग चाबासी मेगी तारीख 19 फावबगी मनुंगदा लौबिहो कांटेक्ट तोबिउ 8257888737 ईमेल lamjingbatomtv
आर्टिस्ट खरा लौजगदौरी मणिपुरी टेली सीरियल निरूपमागी दमकता आर्टिस्ट खरा लौजगदौरी थवाई यावबा नुपा अमसुंग नुपी आर्टिस्ट सिंगना मसागी फोटोग्राफ अमसुंग बायोडाटा लोइनना टॉम टीवी दा पिसिनबियु अकुपा मरोल गी दमक कांटेक्ट तोबिरउ 8837265974 नत्रगा 9402991938
निरूपमा निरूपमा निरूपमा
Welcome back. Mahima Singh Private Limited launched an application to allow studying of regional languages and bring quality education. The event was held at Classic Grande, where Director of Mahima Singh Education Technology Private Limited, R.K. Maipaksana, said that the application was introduced so that students can study their regional languages.
साता साथी मैम से मसागी रीजनल लैंग्वेज मारतंग द लाइक तंब फंगबगी अपॉर्चुनिटी में प्रोवाइड तौसेन हौदरपने अदो वी हैव सी कंपनी हौदो द 2 years ममांगदगी आइडिया लेरबा बट वी डोंट हैव द रिसोर्सेस लाइक अदु मतम द आईडी कमाइन तौसिगी कमाइन हौदुकसिगी हैबसे एंड देन अखोई फाउंडिंग टीम मेंबर खरा थेंगने डीएम कॉलेज इवेंट अमदा एंड देन अखोई टीम अप तौरकान द सिगी माही मसिंग एप्लीकेशन से लॉन्च तौने होजिक हानगी बीटा स्टेज ले हाइदी अंगांग सात चाम यांखै हान टेस्ट तौरिबा हाइदी पब्लिक डायरेक्टली लॉन्च तौरिंग द हान बीटा स्टेज 150 प्लस सात्र मैम एप्लीकेशन कमा यूज तौनी कई नुआइते अदु मैम द होजिक ट्रायल तौरी
Handicap Development Foundation Manipur and Manipur Industrial Development Council have jointly organized a one-day training and awareness program on entrepreneurship skills for youngsters with disabilities at Tera Bazar, Imphal today. Candle making skills were displayed as part of the program. Secretary of the foundation, Yasobanta, talked on the importance of the program.
Ta khuna appeal tawjaning badi nama soire haidana khoi pungning handana pikthana yam ton thaba mongda niraga mina piraga hingane haiba wakhalon du khoi thadong minarasi masi khaktana akoina khunai sida akhoi manaba thagamada akhoi hingba ngamgane haibasi akoina thajajabani masi akhoi punna changsan minaraga masi oithokadoribani akhoi khaktangna masi porakpasungam moi aduna akoina izat laina ningkha tamna manaba thagamada khunai sida hingba ngamnanabagi dama akoina changsaliba ihau sida akhoi punna changsan minasi haiba appeal si thamjari.
The workers of FCI Godown are likely to launch a cease-work strike from 20th of May if wage is not hiked. Speaking to media at the office of CAF and MP, PD Laborers Welfare Association, Sangaipro, General Secretary Romendrajit Moirangcha said that from 1996 to 2019, the non-Manipuri workers are paid rupees 600 as a direct wage. A laborer carrying around 400 bags per day gets only rupees 2 per bag. The workload of over 117 people is carried out by 70 people only, he added. He said that the association's decision to take up agitation comes after the authorities concerned are not paying heed to their legitimate demands.
Kusuman haba tare hariba kusuman ji bek sida depend dawunina bisam ga tratet sugu do 17 na thange 17 ne thange mathak sida mu bek amada lupa ni khak pire aduga nongmada adum norms ki matungina natrana rule akoigi legally haiba tare akoigi law gi matungina pung nipan den thabak suba ya de khote kana lairi basigi masigi ona taina bada hai tare asukwa ba thabak sida nong mada dum pung mapan tara su su ya neighboring oina lairi ba state godown sida piri ba rate per quintal da lupa mapal aduga bag da lupa mari makhagi chang sida PBU haidana related authority da application lama haukiba mi gi tang nipal da application ama piru matam sida thoidokna mari leina de haibagi mong da lahu haiba ya thaba sumba yamna laibak thiba thodok se sidagi maroina labor sing si akoi punjil la kan sida lakliba akoi gi mi gi tang kundagi thabak lepa yauna makhal makha kai kongjang jangjal lagani.
The long-pending repairing work on the important Jiribam-Tipaimuk Road in Jiribam district was resumed by the Concerned Authority few days back following a series of protests by locals and Joint Action Committee demanding completion of the repair work. The blacktopping of the road began on 14th of this month from Dibong stretch, but the Concerned Authority has failed to maintain quality work. People of the district expressed dismay to Tom TV. L. Santikumar Singh, a member of Ichal Club, Dibong, blamed the Concerned Authority for failing to maintain quality in the work which was executed without proper supervision. He urged the concerned department to supervise the repair work properly in future. The Korean K-pop idol group Van will be in Imphal town for a concert. Kiwa India and local company Hyped Entertainment will jointly organize the concert. Speaking during a press meet held at Manipur Press Club today, Director of Kiwa Consultants Private Limited of India, Sanjeev Ghatak, said the vision of the concert is to connect culture through music.
The vision of our company is to connect culture. So connecting culture is the most important part towards further business and develop the economy and bring in more companies and industries in a place. So the cultural part, we are using K-pop as a bridge to make it happen, including Imphal. And related to the K-pop culture that has taken the world by surprise, and everybody is supporting that cultural wave.
An 11-member team of SSC Sekta Club left Imphal today for Chhattisgarh to participate in the All India Invitation Women's Football Tournament to be held from 19 to 20 May at Northeast Institute Railway Football Ground, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. Once again, let's have a short commercial break.
Admission is going on. Saraswati Institute of Management and Paramedical Science, Pangai, opposite to 6 IRB MPTC Pangai, Pangai Road, Imphal, Manipur. Northeast ki oina ihan hana Saraswati Institute of Management and Paramedical Science, Pangai na BSc Forensic Science course, Manipur da hangle. Mapalam da chatrabasu hayeng mag college cha lakituna admission tobi horo akak na basitni.
Welcome back. In another good news, Athokpam Redima has topped in Manipuri elective subject by securing 84% in the examination conducted by Board of Secondary Education Assam. She is the daughter of Athokpam Ibocha Singh and Athokpam Ibemlai Devi of Hojai district. She is a student of Daksing Hojai High School. It may be mentioned that Hojai has no adequate Manipuri teachers.
Asigi subida thamjari basi maramdi ojasing meteron loningan resu ojasing bat padagi meteron mahiro sing masing basala ngasi mutpagi adugi sangma adugumba akoi singnaba malae
Hana Zakotla Nupi se Mane Housing Maso Kogi Assam the D Nupi se Zamna Zakotla so high bangamoy Karigino Haibada Magi Punamakta Nipana Loina Ganata was a chap manana puba ngamdri ado laik laisu tamba hojik nupi mayam thokle oja su khodam moina oja khangde doctor khangde engineer khangde nupi akoi asam du su mayam thokle adona mai gi mathau dang je matam jana pangtho di akoi mete nupi su yamna tathana leine na khande.
A Manipuri girl, Athokpam Ridhima from Huzai district of Assam, scored the highest mark in Manipuri elective subject on the recent SLC exam result. She passed out from the Dakshin Huzai High School, schools where most of the Meiteis students of Huzai district studies. Nang karam subject letter laureate si matang hai.
General Maths, Social Science, aduga elective Manipuri da letter lauze. I doctor oining adugi tamakta science ta tamba pame. Aigi tamba siga mai pak na begi bor pipiu adumaya aigi aim se success to hanna be tamakta ingonda tum mating pam biu adumaya.
Atai se tungda Manipuri subject taman gya na khanra.
Asisi matang desu miteron je ina low aina ne nan kara padegi ne miteron subject se low thamwai na do lo han banya ma din longningam de.
Ridhima Devi, who secured highest mark in Manipuri elective subject this year. It's a good message to the society, not only in Manipuri society. I am not telling regarding Manipuri. It is a very good message for all Assam and all the Manipuri people, those who are residing in Manipur or also in Assam. There's such type of candidate, we should cooperate with this type of candidate, so that they can give their future this study with well and very good manner. No?
And Pamelvi also for on 2017 she also secured highest mark in Manipur. So it is a very good message for the society, and it is today. I think it is the 5th or 6th position we have already taken in Manipuri subject, and her position is also good in mathematics. So
30% piba tarsu angang sina magi 70% piba ni hina ina thazai adugi tamukte bumana hazik all Assam the highest mark lakpa ngamini, so I am proud feel.
Assam is on alert following the grenade blast in Guwahati last evening, where at least 12 persons including 2 SSB Jawans were injured. Though the investigation is on, the police so far have failed to detain anyone in this regard. Security have already intensified their operation against the insurgent groups operating in the state. Condemning the blast, Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal has asked the DGP to speed up the investigation and book the culprits at the earliest. The injured persons who have been getting treatment at Guwahati Medical College and Hospital and in some other hospitals are stable, and the Chief Minister Legal Advisor Santanu Bharali, who visited the injured persons at the hospitals, has assured free treatment for those injured. Meanwhile, the local media has reported that Ulfa is behind the blast. The self-styled Commander-in-Chief Paresh Barua has been quoted by some local media as claiming the responsibility in targeting the central forces. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has accused TMC Gundas of vandalizing the booth of Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar in violence during BJP President Amit Shah's roadshow in Kolkata last Tuesday, and promised to build a grand statue made of Panchalo 5 metals of the Bengali reformer at the same spot. He further said Vidyasagar was not only Bengal's Vibhuti but also that of the entire country. Modi also said West Bengal Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee did not accept him as her Prime Minister, even though he was elected after the blessings of 130 crore Indians. Modi, who is to address rallies later in the day in West Bengal, where campaigning has been restricted by a day, also said Mamta Banerjee was displaying an anti-democratic mindset inebriated with power. Referring to his scheduled rally in Dum in Kolkata, the Prime Minister wondered if the Chief Minister would allow it to happen. Meanwhile, Mamta Banerjee today tore into Prime Minister Narendra Modi and BJP Chief Amit Shah, calling the Prime Minister shameless and Shah a Gunda. Addressing a rally in Mathurapur in West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee accused Modi and Shah of torturing people. In a brazen attack on the Prime Minister and BJP, she said that the EC is the brother of BJP and is sold out to the party. West Bengal will vote in the 7th phase of Lok Sabha election 2019. An encounter broke out between militants and security forces in Pulwama's Dalipora area this morning. The gunfight started when the team of security forces came under fire during a pre-dawn search and cordon operation from the hiding militants at Dalipora. There are reports of injuries to civilians, however, there is no official confirmation. China's President-elect Jinping promises all possible assistance to Sri Lanka, from defense cooperation to intelligence sharing, as the island country is making efforts to strengthen national security by wiping out terrorism. President Maithripala Sirisena, currently in Beijing for an international conference, met President-elect Jinping on Tuesday. The UN said that up to 10 million North Koreans were in urgent need of food assistance. North Koreans had been surviving on just 300 grams of food a day so far this year, according to the UN report. In the 1990s, a devastating famine is believed to have killed hundreds of thousands of North Koreans. There is no indication as yet that this drought will be as severe, but it allows a slew of warnings about poor harvest and crop damage across the country. North Korea is suffering worst drought in nearly 4 decades amid severe food shortages. An average of 54.4 millimeters of rain fell throughout the country in the first 5 months of this year, which is the lowest level recorded since 1982. Now, let's have a look to some of the local newspaper headlines published in some local dailies.
The Shanghai Express. Fishes with coalition partners haunt BJP-led government. NPF threatens to rock coalition government. Weak campaign hurts Congress. Desam inspects government schools. Myra Paivis finance government school. Sec My Bodies condemn apathy. The People's Chronicle. NPF to decide on alliance with BJP on Saturday. Local clubs halt National Highway 2 road renovation work. ST panel to oppose CAB bid in Northeast. Traffic system under strain as public float rules. Infal Free Press. CVI directed to disclose investigation outcome to petitioners on fact encounter cases. 2 Manipuri transgender students gang raped in Bengaluru. Victims refrain from lodging complaint fearing stigma. NPF may walk out from BJP coalition. Inmates in children home increasing. Children staying in residential care likely to develop institutional syndrome. The Morning Bell. Infal Hospital to provide free medical treatment for poor under CSR. State BJP stages sit-in protest decrying violence at Kolkata roadshow. Storm kills 23 in Assam, 22,800 affected. Chief Minister Biren undergoes wrist surgery. Manipur Mail. Election Commission acts tough in Bengal after Bengal violence. BJP protests against Kolkata violence. Mizoram Rural Bank registers 20.81% growth. Kasi student seeks NCSC help in safeguarding tribal rights.
Before we wind off the news bulletin, the top stories once again. NPF likely to quit BJP alliance in Manipur. Nurses are among the most respected professionals, says Manipur governor. And newspaper hawker desperate for help, solace. That's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur for more updates. Thank you.